Namaskar. Today our topic is action research in education. Action research means to act upon. If we break the term action, act on. Action research is related with the immediate problem of the situation. For example, wherever we are working, we are facing some problem in the classroom, teaching learning process, with the peer group, with the colleague, in the cycle stand, cars parking, something which is related with our workplace. That is called action research. If we are searching the solution regarding the immediate problem, that is action research. So, we will take the Sagore's definition regarding the action research. Sagore worked a lot in the field of action research. His definition is saying that a disciplined process of inquiry conducted by and for, remember, by and for those taking the action. It means action research can be conducted by the people who are working in that particular workplace. I cannot do action research in BHU or DU. I can do the action research in my workplace at Viswabharati. The primary reason engaging in action research is to assist the actor. Who is the actor? Researcher is the actor. Assist the actor in improving or refining his or her actions. Always this is not important that if there is problem, then we will go for action research. Maybe my classes are going on very well and I want to improve my teaching learning process. I want to make it interactive so that I can do a small research which can help me to improve my teaching process. And then this is the background. Action research term was coined by Kurt Lewin in 1944, and he was the German-American social psychologist. This was the considered as the founder of the action research. And now the background of the action research, we can know that the action research and the minority problems in his writing in 1946, he described that the action research is a comparative research on the conditions and effects of various forms of social and action research leading to social action. Now, the basic principle of action research is that were described by Lewin are still in use this day. We are still using this definition. Now that so many other researchers are there who worked in the field of action research, there are so many fields, subject-wise, action-wise. People conduct their action research in psychology, sociology, social work, medicine, nursing, and including our field, education. In education, especially in our area, in education, teaching learning process, curriculum development, and the student behavior and other problems related with the classroom should be taken. Goals of action research: improvement in teaching education process, opportunity to conducting, reflecting upon our professional development, our improvement, and benefits in the practice setting. It benefits the teaching practice settings. When we are teaching in the class, our students can tell us that we are going right or not, they are getting us or not, and how we can improve our teaching. Then other goals are there. It's not necessary experiencing problem, then we will do the action research. Maybe improvement will be the reason. Then comes the action research in educational setting. As we are in education, we refer the educational setting. It's a wide variety: evaluating, investigating, analyzing organizational problems, academic problems, instructional problems, and different kind of practical problems, and finding out their solution is the action research. And what are the process or steps of the action research. Action research is a cyclic process. Sometimes we find some problem, we try to solve it, and again we find another problem and we solve it. So these are the steps. Identify a problem to be studied, collect the data upon the problem, organize and analyze and interpret the data, develop a plan to address the problem, implement the whatever finding came, and then evaluate the results of actions taken. When implemented, then evaluate either my finding was right or wrong, whatever I implemented, that is going well or not. Then identify a new problem and repeat the process. This is the whole process of action research. Now people say that students cannot do the action research. No, people can, student teacher, B.Ed student also can do the action research, but they cannot implement. So if they want to be implemented their study, they can refer it to their class teacher, their headmaster, principal, or the vice chancellor. Now question comes that where they organize this action research. So when you are working in a school, you can organize in a school, in college, in university, or any other workplace where you are working. So there are different methods of collecting the data. You can go for observation, you can use the interview schedule, you can do the survey, and different type of procedures are there to collect the data. Now I will not go to the types of action research because it will take so much time. So in next video I will discuss about the different type of action research and how we can conduct the action research, what will be the procedure of action research. Till then, study well, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep